Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Idea. Here we show tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you on how to change your status and add a status of your own. So first and foremost, you have your Discord. And there's two ways of doing it. One is you can go to your user, my profile. Over here, you can edit your profile a bit, and about me. That's kind of a status, but this is not visible unless it click on you. Now, there's two types of status on Discord. One is this, like D&D, online, idle, or invisible. And another is this, a custom status. Now, the custom status is basically you can put an emoji of your wish. You know, for example, let's put this making tech tutorials, you know, that could be. And then you can set a duration of when this status clears, so it can be for today, for 4 hours, an hour, 30 minutes, or you can never clean it. And then you can set your status, making tech tutorials. I don't want anyone to disturb me, so I'm gonna press on D&D and click on save. And now, as you can see, voila, making tech tutorials. That's my custom status, and I'm on do not disturb status as well, so that people don't disturb me. It's as simple as that. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.